Too hot for heavy lunches? Today I'm sharing 3 easy summer salads that are light, refreshing and protein packed.
I've climbed the mountains in Montana, danced in the lights of New Orleans.
Hi friends, this is Tiash and welcome back to Tiash at California. These salads are easy to make, vegetarian and weight loss friendly. They are full of vegetables and seasonal fruits to keep us full and energized. We are making a sweet and tangy mango chickpea salad, a cool and refreshing watermelon salad, and a spicy, crunchy tropical pineapple salad. I'll also share a free PDF of all 3 recipes in the description box below. Let's get started. But before we start, here is my simple salad formula. Don't overthink it. Green, veggies, protein and a simple dressing. Let's start with our favorite summer special mango and chickpea salad. This is sweet, tangy, refreshing and surprisingly filling. I am starting with a bed of fresh greens, then adding chopped cucumbers, some onions, shredded carrots, some juicy tomatoes, and now the star ingredient, sweet, ripe mangoes. They are rich in vitamin A and C and packed with antioxidants. And they add such a beautiful natural sweetness here. For protein and fiber, I am adding some boiled chickpeas. Now let's make a simple dressing. Olive oil, lemon juice, salt, Mexican chili lime seasoning, and roasted cumin powder. Pour it over and give everything a good toss. The sweet mango with the tangy dressing work beautifully together. I also like to add a fresh touch of mint leaves. Light, refreshing, and perfect for summer lunch. Next is probably the most refreshing salad of the 3. For this one, I am using arugula as base. Then adding some chopped cucumbers, onions, and juicy sweet watermelons. Did you know watermelon is over 90% water? That's what makes it one of the most hydrating and refreshing fruits for hot summer days. Watermelon makes this salad incredibly hydrating and perfect for summer afternoons. For protein, we can use tofu, paneer or feta cheese. Today I am using paneer. The dressing is simple again. First I crushed some fresh mint leaves, then mix them with olive oil, lemon juice and black salt. It creates a refreshing herbal dressing that tastes amazing in summer. Pour it on the salad and give everything a gentle toss. This salad feels light, cooling and incredibly refreshing. Exactly the kind of lunch I crave on very hot days. Wow! This tastes like summer in a bowl. Perfect for a really hot day. The last one has a tropical sweet and savory flavor. I'm starting with the base of a mixed greens. It has arugula and lettuce. Then adding shredded carrots. Next, chopped cucumbers. Some onions. And and sweet, juicy pineapples. Pineapple adds fresh tropical sweetness to this salad, and the juice we will use for dressing. For protein, I am using some air-fried crumbled tofu. For more protein, healthy fat, and extra crunch, I am adding some nuts. I'll keep the dressing really simple here. We'll add some juice from the pineapple, pinch of black salt, and we'll sprinkle some chili lime flakes. Give everything a good toss. Did you know pineapple contains bromelain, a natural enzyme known to support digestion and help reduce bloating? That makes it such a great fruit for summer salads. This salad reminds me our vacation in Hawaii. This one might be my favorite. Sweet, spicy, crunchy. Every bite has so much flavor. So good. So friends, today we made 3 light and refreshing summer salads. These salads are perfect for weight loss because they are light, high in protein, and perfect for summer lunch. And most importantly, they are absolutely delicious. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope this video gives you some fresh inspiration for easy and healthy summer lunches. I have added all 3 recipes in a free PDF in the description below if you would like to save them for later. Take care, stay cool, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. If you enjoy salad like this, I have more healthy and delicious salad recipes on my channel for you to watch next.